What's up, everybody? It's Crimson here with a brand new video. So I guess you can call this a vlog. Not gonna be too long because it's already almost dinner. But I can't vlog because it's during school and teachers are weird. No, they're not weird. They just want you to learn, not vlog during the day. But yeah, I guess this will be my first official vlog. Even though it's only gonna be like 5 minutes, but yeah, that's all I have to say. See you in the next clip. So, recently, a lot of people I know have been getting hacked on Instagram, and I just today got hacked. So I guess it's this person who sends like links. They send it to everyone that you're following, like in the group message, and they and it just like, get your free tablet or whatever right here, and they make you sign in to Instagram, except when they sign in it's actually stealing your account info. So anyone watching this, don't do it, because they will hack yours too. It's really annoying. I have to text everyone that it got sent to saying I got hacked. It took me 15 minutes. It was really long. Just don't click on the site because it's completely fake. I did report them, and hopefully they get kicked off Instagram. And yeah, just don't click on the website. I got hacked. It's so annoying. Just don't do it. Bye. So recently I went to the Under Armour store at the mall, and I got a couple outfits, but this is one of my favorites just because the shirt, it's the American flag with baseball bat, stars, home plate, and stripes. I really liked it. I also got like another baseball shirt, and I got a sweatshirt and long sleeve shirt under my uniform. And yeah, so like during games where it's cold or rainy, I can put that on underneath. And actually recently I just got all my new uniform and stuff. I got my hat, I got my jersey, and I got my I got like the overshirt or whatever. It's like a long sleeve, fuzzy inside, really warm. Has a Warriors logo and my number, and yeah, it's just really warm. And I'll show you guys all my baseball stuff in the next clip. Okay, guys, sorry if the audio sounds like fuzzy. I don't know why it's doing that, but sorry if that's what happens. I'll try to fix it while I'm editing, but if it doesn't get fixed, you'll know and you'll hear the fuzzy. But sorry if it is. I will try my hardest to make it not fuzzy. So just letting you guys know about that.
We gon' live it up, 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 up. We gon' live it up, 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 up. We gon' live it up, 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 up.
Now that we're up, there's no need to come down.
Click, really, I don't know. That was dumb. That was really dumb. But I hope you like that clip of my baseball stuff. The music over it, that's gonna be cool. And I'm actually still wearing my hat right now. If you didn't know, the Warriors is just my league, and that's our logo. And my first game is on April 8th. And second is on April 9th. I'm really excited for games, and I won't be vlogging during game day because I'll be busy with all that stuff. But if you go to my Instagram, in the description below, I will be posting, I think, pictures of myself in the game on that day. So yeah, it's gonna be really fun. see you in the next clip. I actually forgot to say something. I'm going to be moving in June, and you'll see some moving footage, I think, hopefully. And tomorrow, I'll vlog a little bit before Hex, and then after school, and yeah, I'll just tell you what kind of happened, and if it went well, if I made it, and yeah, I'll just tell you all about that. But for right now, it's like 8, I'm gonna hang out till bed, and, well, not really bed, but just gonna hang out, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Bye. So, I know this is the part you've been waiting to see, probably at least. Yeah, this is my fidget spinner. It is 3D printed, and it's smaller than most, with 3D printed caps and a really good bearing. See, and the caps are better than usual, because they have like concave, and it spins really nicely. And yeah, this is mine. I think I can do tricks at least. Oh, I got it. That wasn't really much of a trick, because I don't want it to like break, but yeah, so this is it, and I think it's nice. You can see like pennies, and the cool thing about this is there's no hole in the back, it's just a plain back, but it's still balanced. And it's pretty quiet. It's really helpful in class. Yeah, and this is my 3D printed fidget spinner. This is probably what you've been waiting for this entire time. But, here it is. And I'm actually going to be posting a video. It's another thing with my fidget spinner. But you're going to have to see it. I'm probably going to post it tomorrow. And that's, okay, that's my schedule. Post, oh sorry, I had something in my nose. I know most of you have probably been waiting for this, but yes, this is my 3D printed, that's twice in this video, printed fidget spinner. It has 3D printed caps, and they're better than most caps because they're concave. It has a really nice bearings, the shields are taken off, and it's pennies. And it's smaller than usual because it's 3D printed, but instead of like holes at the back, it's just plain. But it's still like even, I would say. It's like, what do you call it? I'm just gonna say even. It's like, it's still like level spinning, so it's not like all bumpy. But yeah, it spins really nicely, not that loud, very helpful in class. I really like it. Pretty cheap, and I'm gonna be doing another video with this tomorrow, and my schedule for my channel is, well, now, because it's my first vlog, normal video of something, fidget spinner, random videos, then another vlog, and I'll just go back and forth, and I might have a special every now and then, but yeah, this is my spinner, and I'll have a link where you can get not a 3D printed one, but just a usual one off Amazon. I'll try to find a super cheap one so all you guys can go down and get it. And so your parents aren't like, oh, that's a waste of money, it's too much. I'll try to find a cheap one for you. And this is pretty cheap. And well, this was actually a gift, but it was still cheap. And yeah, I really like it. I think that's all I have to say. Ready? Let's do the next clip with the fidget spinner. Wait, I have to do it. I think that's all I have to say in this. See you guys in the next clip. What's up, guys? I think I'm going to end the video here. It's been a long day. I'm getting ready for bed. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like. Maybe subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment on what I should do in my next video. See you all next one. Peace.